in around us, science is everywhere. But some amazing facts we didn't know about that. Here we are again. Today we're going to reveal some amazing science facts that will blow your mind. Babies have around 100 more bones than adults. Babies have about 300 bones at birth, with cartilage between many of them. This extra flexibility helps them pass through the birth canal and also allow for rapid growth. With age, many of bone fuses, leaving 206 bones that make up an average adult skeleton. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 cm taller during the summer. When a substance is heated up, its particles move more and it takes up a larger volume. This is known as thermal expansion. Conversely, a drop in temperature causes it to contract again. 20% of Earth's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest. Our atmosphere is made up of roughly 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, with various other gases present in small amounts. This vast majority of living organisms on Earth need oxygen to survive, converting it into carbon dioxide as they breathe. Some metals are so reactive that they explode on contact with water. There are certain metals including potassium, sodium, lithium, rubidium, and caesium that are so reactive that other oxide instantly when exposed to air. They can even produce explosion when dropped in water. All elements strive to be chemically stable. In other words, to have a full other electron shell. Hawaii moves 7.5 cm closer to Alaska every year. The Earth's crust is split into gigantic pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are in constant motion, propelled by currents in Earth's upper mantle. Hot, dense rocks rises before cooling and sinking, giving rise to circular convection currents which act like giant conveyor belts, slowly shifting to tectonic plates above them. In 2.3 billion years, it will be too hard for life to exist on Earth. Over the coming 100 million years, the Sun will continue to get progressively brighter and hotter. In just over 2 billion years, temperatures will be high enough to our ocean, making life on Earth impossible. Our planet will become a vast desert similar to Mars today. Polar bears are nearly undetectable by infrared cameras. Thermal cameras detect the heat lost by subject as infrared, but polar bears are expert at conversing heat. The bears keep warm due to a thick layer of blubber under the skin. Add to this dense fur coat and they can endure to chilliest Arctic day. It takes 8 minutes 90 seconds for light to travel from the Sun to Earth. In space, light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, even at this breathtaking speed, covering the 150 million Earth kilometers. Between us and Sun takes considerable time. So viewer, what about our today's episode? Please leave your valuable comment in our comment section. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Till then, take care and good luck.